Hi everyone. So my allergies are out to get me today. My roommate bought a giant bouquet of flowers to make the room more spring-y, and she forgot that I'm totally allergic to them. And now they're sitting on her desk. Oh god. Ugh. Crap. So yeah. They're sitting on her desk. Luckily, her desk is fairly far away from my bed, which is nice. But I've been, sneezing like crazy for hours. And it's really not cool. They're pretty though, that's nice. They do make the room more springy. I need to blow my nose. Ugh. So, she got I don't even know what kind of flowers those are. I don't understand flowers. But they're like bright red. And they're really filled with pollen. And it's been like this all morning. And I have a sneeze that's stuck, and that's really annoying. Oh, God. Ugh, I need a fucking tissue. Oh, that's dandy. I'm out of tissues. That's great. That's great. Damn roommate. Oh god. Ugh. That's gross. Ugh. I think that's all for now. Ugh. I'm deaf. Alright. Bye.